Right everyone, back on the job, and today we'll be looking at bottle traps. So, I've got a bottle trap which I need to change. So I'll be using this one, okay? So let's get started. So this is our bottle trap, and this is a Macalpan bottle trap. So you can actually undo these with your hand if they're not done up too tight. So you've got a nut there, you've also got another nut here. Quite easy and quite simple to take off. I've explained to people before, sometimes when you get stuff trapped in the bottle trap, this little seal tends to weep. So I'm just going to change this bottle trap, so I'm going to do it up nicely. This is going to be just a quick video how to swap this bottle trap. So if you're not quite sure what to do, follow this video and make it easy for you. So let's get to it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and use our water pump pliers. So I've got my water pump pliers here and get onto this. It's going to be easy to take off, the first one. And you can see it's starting to drip around the lip. So let's get on with it. Very easy to take off. I tend to take this nut off first. And then this one, just because if you do it that way, you can hold on to the bottom of it and it won't drop on the floor. I've learnt this over time. So we're going to get a little wiggle. Oh. So, if you've never seen what's in a trap or what could be in a trap, that could be in your trap. Nasty, gooey. Yep, that's a funky smell. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the old washers and then that from that side. Opening our new pack. New stuff. So very straightforward. Nut. Washer, rubber washer. Keep it plain and simple, so it looks like that. And next what we want to do is so this has got, this nut at the top adjusts a little bit to be able to move this size up and down at the top. You can just tighten it up when you've got it in the right place. But what it is there's a rubber washer which sits on the top of it. So remember to have this washer in the top of here. So that washer needs to be in the top like that. So once the washer's in there like that, you know you're going to have a good seal. So again, I'm going to start with putting the side on first, and I'm going to adjust the top down if I can. Don't think it's going to work like that. I'm going to put the top in first. Then, so I'll put the top in first, going to have to take the clip off the wall. So the nearest clip on the wall I'm going to have to take off. So just making sure I've got the right size on the adjustment, so I went right up to the top. And I'm going to have to work my way along this pipe where I can take off the first clip just so I can give it some give. So let's do that. This up, push it against. Top nut, make sure you do up as well. So what we'll do is wipe it clean and run the sink to check it.